Is YouTube's picture-in-picture not working on your phone? Here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. From this list, you want to find YouTube and select that. Now find the option of picture in picture over here. If this is toggled off, go ahead and toggle this option on. This allows the app to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. This window is shown on top of other apps that you're using. Once you have allowed it, head back. Next, you want to select the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. Once that is done, it's going to resolve any hidden glitches. Next, you want to reopen YouTube app. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up your settings. Now select General. Here, you want to find the option of picture in picture and make sure that it is turned on. Go ahead and open up any video and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. For that, go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. Once it has been uninstalled, open up Play Store. Then search for YouTube and then reinstall it from here. Also make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. So if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After doing this, the picture-in-picture not working problem will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.